Today I decided to give a little facelift to my truck. It has a lot of rust at the bottom of the doors, so I thought I'll fix that. And then I have this trim around the wheels and the rocker panel, and it's golden color, and I want it all black, so we're gonna paint that too. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. So this is the golden trim that I decided to paint black to make it look better. I already took one off from this door because it has a ton of rust. Just to give you an example, that's what this thing looks like. And this is unacceptable. So we're gonna cut this out and weld it. I haven't done any welding before, so I looked it up on YouTube how to do it. Went to my brother, borrowed this fancy helmet. That works great. And we're using this really cheap wire welder, and it's working out good so far. So this is the driver door. I already cut out some pieces that were really rusty, and I'm trying to weld this new piece of metal on it. And then we're gonna do the other one from the outside. And we're gonna fix it up, and hopefully that's gonna work for a couple years. So this is what we got after some welding, and it's all nice and clean, looks pretty solid to me. Okay, so not the best job, but I finished welding this piece of metal. So now I just have to paint it, and we'll be done. We're gonna prep the area with let's prep all that I use before I paint, and then we're gonna use this Pour 15. It's black, so I won't even have to prime it. This is probably one of the best products out there for rust prevention. Some areas where I couldn't get to, I'm gonna use this, which is also by Pour 15. This kind of neutralizes rust. And yeah, so let's get that going. We'll put the outside panel, and it's gonna be almost done. Last thing for today, using this Pour 15 paint, and this will dry overnight and make our life easier tomorrow. Okay, so today, day 2. I woke up just a little bit ago, had lunch, have to go back to work by half an hour. So I decided to finish up this door. So it's definitely working a lot better the second day when I'm kind of getting a hang of this welding. So it is working out a lot better if you just kind of spot weld it. Just do it that way and then fill in all the gaps. this is what the inside of this door looks like. So it's starting to get a good shape. I'm happy with it. My doors are ready, so it's time to prep my panels and get them painted. So I am using 400 grit sandpaper and a little soft block to sand, and it works out great. I finished sanding, finished taping. So that's pretty much what this looks like. Before paint, I use this prep ball. It just removes all kinds of oil, dirt, whatever. So it makes the surface really clean. I'm just going to be using some cheap automotive paint. This is by 4th Dimension. This is dirt cheap. Some urethane reducer. And you mix it 50-50. And you spray it. So that's what I'm going to do. This is the bottom of the door. I sealed it with the automotive window sealant. It's actually window adhesive, just to seal off all the cracks or whatever it may be. So we're just going to put a molding on it and it's going to be done. Okay, so we have the molding back on. The door looks pretty solid. So I think it turned out pretty good. It's all nice and black. Nothing's falling off. It's all nice and black. No more gold trim. I think it looks pretty good. Small little project, just painted black. It looks a lot better, it looks newer, cleaner. I like it.